I'm Balaji.
Hi everyone, I am Rohit Khanna.
I'm Indira.
The kind of spike that we get in on those days, I think the entire company gets excited. On a single day, about 10 to 15x kind of a spike against a BAU is a huge, jump in our daily business.
You don't have to worry about packaging. आपको labor issues को face नहीं करना पड़ेगा and more importantly, you can spend that time with your family. फिर भी आपके सारे orders seamlessly process हो रहे हैं.
So, as a brand, you have various possibilities to sell your product. But what makes Amazon unique, as far as I have experienced, is the reach. I have seen customers from the smallest of towns buying Dabble products.
The top moment for me on Amazon has been the Prime Day sales. No second thoughts about it.
We clocked around 1 crore sales in 2 days of Prime Day, and the whole team was just too enthusiastic and excited about that. We were tracking sales every half an hour to see if we crossed that 1 crore mark or not. It was a great moment in our company and we really enjoyed it.
I have been able to reach the customers which I have never thought I would be able to reach. So the journey has been amazing on Amazon.
What has happened is every time there's been a sale, it has given us the opportunity to experiment. We've actually launched new products around this time very successfully. And we've seen a lot of initial traction for our products through these sales, so they've worked really well for us.
I think the top favorite moment for me with Amazon has been the discovery that we can actually lead to a 3x growth in business just by replicating our inventory in different fulfillment centers.
We had launched this new product called UHT milk. So this is basically a long shelf life milk, and of course the people who have access to the fresh milk, they were not readily buying it. So but we still needed to build a decent market size for the product to be viable. So that's where Amazon came in and helped us to take this product national and made this product a viable business proposition for us. So it was really helpful from Amazon point of view.
Amazon is nothing but the trust. People trust that the reviews what comes in Amazon is the right reviews. So that is the factor which every one of us are getting an advantage, and we are growing through it. It's a holistic partnering which we are having with Amazon. I think it's a win-win thing for Amazon as well as for us.
So the rich A+ content that Amazon offers, which gives you an opportunity to tell your story and all of the features around your brand with video content and having a dedicated section for your brand story, all of these are extremely rich resources which can help people and convince them that this is a product that they need.
Amazon gives a lot of opportunity to us to make the product available to the customer at a very great speed. So they give a lot of FBA options, a lot of FCs all across India that you can put your stocks to.
Amazon is also one of the best marketplaces to reach literally every pin code in India, right? So there are times when I've had customers calling me up from Delhi or Chandigarh saying, I'm going for a wedding and I need this table cover tomorrow, can you deliver it to me? We're based in Bangalore and there is no way we can fulfill that order. But with Amazon being on FBA, this is something which can easily be turned into a reality. So the fulfillment and the FBA system of Amazon is something which I can't do without. Definitely invest in Amazon advertising because that is a great platform and gives very good ROAS. Amazon has been a blessing because there is, you don't differentiate on Amazon, right? Everybody gets a chance to, equally, get visibility based on merit and based on, reviews of customers.